my name is Nozati Izni Adili binti Saroni. Today, I will present about what is bankruptcy and what are your duties as a bankruptcy.
What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy refers to the process by which a debtor is declared bankrupt in accordance with a court order. Bankruptcy also a legal process involving a person or business who cannot pay their outstanding debt. The next slide is what are your duties as a bankruptcy. First is disclose all properties or assets in your possession and deliver non-exempt assets to the bankruptcy trustee. Second is hand over all credit cards to the trustee for cancellation. Third is provide any document requested by the bankruptcy trustee, including all forms, tax returns, insurance policies. Fourth is report your household income and expenses each month to the trustee. Five is make all required payment, including surplus income. The sixth step is attend to mandatory credit counseling session. The last step is attend any required meeting of creditor or examination by the official receiver.
My name is Ranjita Martandi.
Firstly, the effect of bankruptcy is effect on loans. Just like in mortgage and credit, the power to require loans also will be jeopardized by the bankruptcy. The next effects are on the bankruptcy's job. A bankrupt may not engage in particular trades or profession where there may be certain restrictions imposed by professional association or licensing authorities. Afterward, the effect on bankruptcy's finance, the bankruptcy accountability to debt without having to pay creditors. Last but not least, bankruptcy also affects the bankrupt's emotion. Money cannot buy happiness, but if do not have enough, it can definitely trigger negative emotion like sadness, fear, stress, embarrassment, and depression. The restriction on a bankrupt is all assets seized after the bankruptcy declaration, all assets owned by the bankrupt will be managed by the DGI. So for example, the home and car owned by the bankrupt individual will be taken over and managed by the DGI to be used to pay off the debt. Next, the travel limit to the bankrupt individuals are not allowed to leave the country without the written permission of the DGI or before obtaining a court order authorizing them to leave the country. Besides that, limited credit that existing bank accounts will be deactivated and bankrupt individuals are prohibited from withdrawing any funds from existing bank accounts. Last but not least, occupational limitation. For the bankruptcy, individuals are not allowed to work in a certain professions with restriction imposed by professional association or authorities. Moreover, there are few jobs that a bankrupt individual cannot do are lawyer, accountants, and doctors.
My name is Wan Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Sharif and I will explain to you about can a bankruptcy cause travel overseas and how to get out from bankruptcy status. Can a bankrupt leave for overseas travel? A business who can't bankrupt cannot leave the country or travel overseas unless with a written permission from DGI. A business should fill the application form with a certain document. The purpose of doing this is to make sure all the bankrupt give their utmost priority to pay off debt. This is a reason why government strongly prohibit social visit because it assumes that such money should be used for the purpose of paying the debt.
Now we move to the next discussion, which is how to a bankrupt apply for permission to travel overseas. According to the Act 1967, a bankrupt should make an application permission form from the Director General of Insolvency DGI, which is in this application permission form, the bankrupt person should state his own intention, reason, and durations of traveling with a valid evidence, and also wait to the decision whether it approved or not from the court. Besides that, in insolvency,
How to get out of bankruptcy? There are three ways to be released from bankruptcy status. 1. By way of annulment. The business can make an application in court at any time to annul the bankruptcy order under a certain ground such as the debt has been settled fully. Second, by the way of discharge in the court. In order to discharge from the court status, the bankrupt can make an application in court at any time. The DGI has to produce a report on the conduct of the bankrupt and cooperation of the bankrupt with the department. 3. By the way of discharge by the DGI. Section 33A of the Insolvency Act 1967, the bankrupt can make applications to the DGI for discharge, but it's only been made if 5 years has elapsed from the date the bankruptcy order was made and some criteria imposed by the DGI in order to discharge the bankrupt.